What's up, guys? In this Premiere Pro tutorial, I'm going to show you how to really quickly remove the default LUTs inside of Premiere so you don't have to deal with those annoying giant lists of LUTs that you never use. So let's get into it. First off, to do this, you're going to just want to head over into Finder if you're on a Mac, or to your applications if you're on a PC. And from there, you're going to find the application Premiere Pro. You right-click that, go Show Package Contents, or if you're on a PC, it'll say something slightly different, but you're basically going to scroll down inside of the contents to the folder labeled Lumetri, and then you're going to go down where it says LUTs. So you open up this LUTs folder, and inside of it, there's another folder called Creative, and you can see we've got all of these stupid, dumb LUTs. So there's actually 3 folders of LUTs by default. There's Creative, Legacy, and Technical. So of course, you're not going to want to delete anything that you actually use. If you have an Alexa, you have an Airy, you have a Phantom, good for you. I'm very happy for you, but I don't and probably never will, so I'm just going to delete those LUTs. Bada bing, bada boom. And same with the Legacy. I honestly hate literally every single one of these LUTs I have used. The Rec 709 ones I might keep, but other than that, I think I'm going to get rid of all of them. So we're just going to do this because I don't have a Blackmagic, so why would I keep all those Blackmagic LUTs? Same thing. Right? I hate all of these. I think you're getting the point. So I'm going to delete these. From there, we're just going to close Premiere Pro, restart. So I've opened up my Premiere project, and you can see if I select any clip here, go over to basic correction, bam! My input LUT list is now just the few custom LUTs that I've actually installed and a couple that I didn't delete. And then creative, again, look at that. No giant list of horrible LUTs to go through. I just have exactly want. So if this was helpful, can you do me a big favor? Number 1, hit the like button. Number 2, leave a comment below. Just let me know if you had any changes or differences between my video and my version of Premiere Pro, which is Premiere 2022, and yours, because that way we can help everybody in this community in case it was slightly different with your version. And also, if you're on a Windows machine on a PC, can you do me another favor? Let us know in the comments exactly which folders you had to navigate to find these LUTs, because they might be slightly named different. So without further ado, I'll let you get to it, because now you have a big, beautiful open space to grab the LUTs that you actually want. I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, create something awesome. Peace.